Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by confirming the Wyze app and camera firmware are current. This prevents setup errors. Once done, make sure you have the 4 GHz SSID and password because Wyze cameras do not use 5 GHz. Plug the camera into power and position it within 10 to 15 feet of the router to ensure a strong signal during the change. Open the Wyze app, tap the camera, then tap Settings. This gets you into the network menu to begin switching networks. Now you'll perform the actual network switch. In camera settings, choose network or Wi-Fi network, then pick the new SSID. Enter the password exactly because one wrong character will fail authentication. If the app prompts for QR pairing, hold your phone's screen in front of the camera until the LED flashes, which confirms the camera read the data. Make sure the phone's brightness is high and avoid reflections. Once paired, the app will show connection progress. Finish by testing the live stream and recording a short clip to confirm the camera stays online and latency is acceptable. If the signal is weak, move the camera closer to the router or add an extender or mesh node. This improves packet delivery and reduces dropouts. If the network change repeatedly fails, perform a factory reset by holding the setup button for 10 seconds, then reconfigure from scratch. Only use this as a last resort because it erases settings. One key troubleshooting tip: check router side MAC.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.